Not excited anymore.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome to another installment of What $100 Will Buy You, where I visit some of our favorite stores, spend $100, and show you guys what I got for it. Today we have an online order from American Eagle Outfitters, and I know in the past I have shown you guys quite a bit of clothing for $100. This time's a little different because in this order I got 4.5 items. Let's get on with it, shall we? But before we do, some of you may know this already, but I have a jeans problem. While I already have so many pairs in my closet, I continue to purchase them. Since there's so many different styles of jeans out there, I have to make sure I get each and every one. The ones I got today, I got more for a casual style. So here's the first pair. Please pay no attention to what I'm wearing right now. I figured what I had on didn't matter because I'm trying on a bunch of clothes. These are artist crop jeans, and I really like these because they have the holes and the frame, but it's patched up with a darker shade of denim on the inside. And you know, the classic American Eagle butt, and the bottoms are unfinished. And we might as well make an outfit out of it with this sweater. It's an ombre pink sweater. Jeans and pink, that just seems to be what I go for. So I'll be right back. Cello. I don't know, you guys. This may vindicate me from the last What $100 Will Buy You video, where I bought size 8 pants and they were gigantic on me. These are size 6 long, and I'm afraid they're too tight. I don't like my jeans tight. I like to be comfortable. And while these are very elastic, these are muffin top creators. What's going on here? It's squeezing my flesh out the top. Here too, see? But here's the bottom. They're cute. No thanks. Let's see how they feel sitting down. Yeah, they're too tight. I couldn't wear these. I like the sweater. This I will keep. American Eagle is more of a juniors store. These I will look for a bigger size. I am going to have to get an 8. Okay. Guess what? Another pair of jeans. Also size 6. They are a lighter shade of denim, crop regular. So these are long, these are regular. And they're kind of at the bottom a little bit flared out with some holes. So let's try those on. I can't wait to get these off. There's no stretch in these. Not like the other ones. Yeah. Eesh. Too tight. Now, I have to say I'm totally sad about these. These were already clearance from $50 to $29.99. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find them because I think I was pretty excited that they had size 6. Not excited anymore. Okay, and lastly, I don't know how I feel about this. I know that plunging neck bathing suits are in, and I normally only wear bikinis. I don't know. But no, I'm not going to try. Well, yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I won't feel comfortable with that V-neck. I will try it on later, but I can tell. And I know I said that there were 5 items, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the reason for that is one piece of this bathing suit was $10. And the other was $10 as well, but that would have made $110. So either the top or the bottom would equal the amount I spent to $100. So let's recap, shall we? The light denim pants, they're cute. I like them. Too tight. These artist crop jeans, I adore them, but they are too small. I don't know if I will be able to get one my size. Certainly gonna try, but in the meantime, they don't fit. This right here, don't know what I was thinking. I mean, look at it. This bikini I will have to try on later. I'm pretty sure this is going to be fine. I enjoy the high waist of this bikini. Oh, that's the back. There's a bow on the butt. All right, so not the best What $100 Will Buy You video ever, but that's not completely surprising seeing as I purchased it online and I didn't really think of the juniors factor for these clothes. So that's it for this video on What $100 Will Buy You at American Eagle Outfitters. Short but sweet. Well, not so sweet. Short but okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. I learned that sometimes I'm not a size 6. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys!